In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Supabase with Vercel. We'll walk through the setup from inside Vercel so you can connect your Supabase database and make sure your project has the environment variables it needs to run properly. This is a helpful integration if you're deploying an app on Vercel and using Supabase for your backend or database. To get started, go to Vercel and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where Vercel lets you connect external tools and services to your projects, including databases, analytics platforms, and developer utilities. After that, click Browse Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can explore all available integrations. From there, find and select Supabase. Opening the Supabase integration page will show you the installation option and give you access to the connection flow. Next, click Install. At this point, Vercel will ask how you want to apply the integration. You can choose to enable it for all projects or only for specific projects. If you use Supabase across multiple apps, applying it more broadly can save time. If you only need it for one deployment, selecting specific projects helps keep things organized and limits access only where it's needed. Once you've chosen the scope, connect your Supabase database. This step links Vercel to your Supabase project so the two platforms can work together. During this part of the setup, follow the prompts carefully and confirm the correct project or database connection before continuing. That helps prevent configuration issues later on. After the integration is connected, open your project in Vercel and go to Settings, then Environment Variables. Here, you'll want to verify that the required variables from Supabase have been added correctly. This is important because your deployed app often depends on these values to connect to the database and authenticate requests. Take a moment to check that everything appears in the right environment, such as development, preview, or production, depending on how your app is set up. Finally, sync the secrets to your local environment. This helps keep your local development setup aligned with what's configured in Vercel, so you can test your app consistently both locally and in deployment. It's a good idea to avoid exposing any secret values directly and instead rely on your environment configuration wherever possible. Once that's done, your Supabase and Vercel integration should be in place, and your project will be better prepared for a smoother deployment workflow.